So you mentioned apprentices earlier, and the sort of 4-year apprentices. So I know you do sort of level 3, level 4s, and that sort of thing in engineering. So just a little bit about how those apprentices fit into your business, really, and how they fit into everyday life at the depot and that sort of thing.
Well, I'm a firm believer the lifeblood of any business is our youngsters, and if we can cultivate them, train them properly, massive payback for the business. We only accept if we take people from outside anyway, skilled service staff. We only accept those that have done recognised apprenticeships normally anyway. And with the youngsters that come to us that are successful in gaining a job, we can train them, mould them as we want them to, and in that 4 years, they'll be doing all sorts of things to do with engineering, servicing, maintaining and repairing the trains.
And what does that sort of day to day? You sort of touched on the jobs they do. So what sort of, what does that day to day job look like for your apprentices? What sort of jobs do they get involved in between the different parts of the train that you look after?
Well, other than the sort of training courses we put on, and we also employ other training providers for bespoke courses, technical courses, they basically spend their time with the skilled service staff. So the production management will put them with one of our skilled service staff. Day to day, there are examinations of trains that are coming out of traffic, so we're going to check all sorts of things. Of course, loads of repairs to do as well, so they'll take part in that with the skilled service staff. That's just working on the trains. They will also get involved with the heavy maintenance staff, which is they change things like engines, transmissions, battery packs, wheel sets, things like that. They'll spend time with the heavy maintenance team on the wheel lathe, which we've got metal wheels which get damaged, so they have to be repaired. So we have a specialist wheel lathe for doing that. They will spend their time going around the various depots. We try and put them with various people. We have outside contractors that deal with all our air conditioning, and who are based at Aylesbury Depot. They maintain and service all the air conditioning systems on the trains. We will put them with them for a while as well. They will visit our control centre to see how the whole railway runs then. Spend time with our duty fleet managers that are basically responsible for if anything goes wrong with the trains when they're out in traffic. They'll help the drivers, and they'll also arrange for them to come back to the depot during their maintenance intervals to be maintained and serviced. We also do Duke of Edinburgh Gold. We expect our apprentices to do that.
So after 4 years, they have a head full of everything by the sounds of things.
Yeah.
What a rounded, what a sort of expansive rounded apprenticeship they get by the end of it.